have no great ambition to rule the world. I play my guitar and spend time with my girl. If I can stir a little happiness in my wake, I'll die a happy man, make no mistake. Whoa. Do we ever really know what we're here for? I'm not sure, but I doubt we should be making war. I've never harmed anyone with what I do, a principle of mine to which I try to be true. Whoa, whoa. I'm a full-time dreamer, my dreams are my reality. A full-time dreamer, but so far